Join me as I dive deep into Laes stock and try to uncover what's really inside. It's going to be a wild ride. In this video, we will explore Laes stock, its performance, and what factors are driving its success. Many investors are unsure whether Laes stock is a solid investment or just a passing trend, and that's completely understandable, considering the ups and downs we've seen in the market lately. The recent surge in its stock price has piqued the interest of many, but is it sustainable? We'll take a closer look at the company's history and previous performance to get a better sense of what's driving this growth. There are many factors at play here, and we'll try to separate the noise from the signal. The question on everyone's mind is, can Laes stock continue to rise, or is it due for a correction? We'll examine the company's financial health, looking at revenue, profit margins, and other key metrics to see if they're telling a story of sustainable growth or just a flash in the pan. It's not just about the numbers, though. We'll also explore the company's market position and how it stacks up against its competitors. By the end of this analysis, you'll have a much clearer picture of Laes stock's potential for future growth. We'll take a closer look at the company's financial health, market position, and the key indicators that suggest its potential for growth. One of the most critical factors in evaluating any stock is its financial health, so we'll dive deep into Laes stock's revenue, profit margins, and other key metrics to see if they're telling a story of sustainable growth or just a flash in the pan. The company's market position is also crucial. We'll examine how it stacks up against its competitors and whether it's poised to take on more market share. The company's track record is impressive, but we need to look beyond the surface-level numbers to understand what's driving this growth. We'll examine the company's management team, its industry, and the broader market trends to get a more comprehensive view of Laes stock's potential. This will give us a better understanding of whether the company is well positioned to take advantage of future opportunities or if it's more vulnerable to potential pitfalls. The turning point in our analysis will be revealing the recent earnings report and how it compares to industry expectations. This is where the rubber meets the road. We'll see if Laes stock's performance is living up to the hype or if there are warning signs that investors should be aware of. The earnings report will give us valuable insights into the company's operational efficiency, its ability to adapt to changing market conditions, and its long-term prospects. We'll analyze the earnings report in detail, looking at the revenue and profit margins, as well as any guidance the company provides for the future. This will give us a better understanding of whether Laes stock is a solid investment or if it's more of a speculative play. We'll also compare the earnings report to industry expectations, seeing if Laes stock is outperforming its peers or lagging behind. The earnings report will also provide valuable insights into the company's management team and their ability to execute on their strategy. We'll examine any areas of concern, such as declining margins or increasing debt, and see if the company is taking proactive steps to address these issues. By the end of this analysis, you'll have a much clearer picture of Laes stock's future prospects. Finally, we'll examine the industry trends and the broader market conditions to see if they're supporting or hindering Laes stock's growth. This will give us a more comprehensive view of the company's potential for future growth and help us separate the signal from the noise. To wrap up, we'll summarize the main points about Laes stock and its future prospects in the market. By now, you should have a much clearer understanding of whether Laes stock is a solid investment or just a passing trend. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out my analysis on other trending stocks and leave your thoughts in the comments below.